I know it's an amazing feel to be in a school and a class. So सबका nostalgia है. I would like everybody if we get the time to share something about their school. जो हमने last time भी किया था, but वो मज़ा आएगा. I'm like getting this vibe here. Learning वाला ला रहा है ना, विद्या की जगह. So थोड़ा सा learning में I have a small presentation. So मैं थोड़ी देर अपना founder of Infinity Connect वाला hat हटा रही हूँ. For the first time, I'm actually standing here in front of you as a founder of Meraki Brand Solutions. So just so that you know, my journey, I'll be very, very brief with it, is somebody who has worked in training for a very long time. I was working in UK in colleges. I'm a CIPD qualified trainer as well. And then I came here and I worked with in education industry for a very long time, where I was actually making sure that the trainings are conducted and digitization happens. And that's where my passion for social media came. So Meraki was born out of it, and as somebody just shared, everybody can hear me, na? So as somebody shared, where did the name Meraki came from? Meraki actually is a Greek word which means when you do something with heart and soul. So as मेरे घर वाले मुझे कहते हैं ना, जब एक बार लग जाती हो तो भूल जाती हो सारी दुनिया को. And somewhere everybody knows me for a while. Those who don't know me, obsessive character है मेरा. एक बार कुछ announce कर देते हैं तो अपने ego पे ले आते हैं कि it has to succeed. So I actually read this dialogue somewhere. If anybody has watched Netflix पे Kota Factory. Yeah. So there is a dialogue कि जब कुछ challenging करना हो ना तो सबको बता दो. जब सबको बता दोगे तो आपके ईगो पे आ जाएगा, और जब आपके ईगो पे आ जाता है तो आपको अच्छा करना ही होता है. तो when you guys think that I've done a lot of planning, ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. कुछ बना के मैं डाल देती हूँ, फिर उसको अपने ईगो पे ले लेती हूँ. तो Meraki actually happened like this. So I announced it, and now Meraki is a passion where I am working towards providing branding solutions to various clients. I have some in Lucknow, some pan-India and overseas as well. And the only way I managed to get those people is, of course, through word of mouth, through Connect. But of course, my favorite platform is LinkedIn. I get a lot of messages. I get a lot of messages कि मैम जॉब चाहिए, ये चाहिए, मतलब बहुत सारे तरीके के आते हैं. हाय भी आते हैं. Hi, how are you? So they are hi. So please. Hi continues. So this is the journey. So somewhere thoda sa I am going to be talking a little bit about B2B marketing. Everybody is doing it over here. I know you all are doing it. You are excellent at it, by the way. I have learned from you all in this. For me, as I've been working for 20 years, and entrepreneurship is not something which comes naturally to me. I come from a service class family. जैसे कहते हैं ना कि हम फर्स्ट जनरेशन एंटरप्रेन्योर. अब जो भी है छोटा सा भी है, लेकिन है तो है ही है. So I have learned all this from you. So today's session is about that, and the focus will be on LinkedIn itself. Is that okay? Any questions so far? Okay. So please, ये board के मतलब there was an organization where I got these 1300 boards installed, and I took the training. लेकिन मुझे कभी operate करना नहीं आया. There were other people to train other people. So if I fiddle with it, please be patient with me. ऐसे करना है? So when we talk about B2B, no business is self-sufficient. We all have to rely on each other. If we just talk about iPhone, so iPhone, they are very, very kind of particular about the quality of it, but the glass is not something which they manufacture. Or we talk about any small business, we all keep collaborating with each and everybody else. The reason for that is it helps in making sure that the quality is maintained. You can't have everything in-house. कोई भी example ले लीजिए आप. Whether it's a collaboration, if you have a manufacturing or if you have a service. I have a service company. I provide services. But for example, I collaborate with Girish for certain things because it's not possible for me to get everybody in-house. मैं कितने लोगों को रख लूँगी and they'll not be working full time. So it's a very simple thing. So we did a B2B transaction. He gives me business, I give him business. Just an example from my side. एंड आई गेस यहाँ पे अगर एक दो लोग शेयर करना चाहें तो यू कैन वेन एनी पॉइंट ऑफ द टाइम कि हाउ यू हैव कोलैबोरेटेड वेदर विथ ईच अदर और एनी अदर एग्जाम्पल, राइट? सिंस वी आर टॉकिंग ओनली, so it helps with the process, make sure that the functions are better. You can focus on what you know. Your expertise lies in something and somebody else is an expert of something else. तो आप उसको वो काम दे दीजिए, आपका काम फ्री हो जाता है. एंड ऑब्वियसली इफ आई से इसको आप 100 आप मैन्युफैक्चर करके मुझे दे दो बिकॉज मुझे नहीं करना है, सो द अदर पर्सन विल मैन्युफैक्चर, इवन इफ इट्स लाइक बैग्स, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट जूट बैग्स, that person will manufacture and you will save, the person will also gain, like, no, they'll have the revenue for it as well. So this is how it works, the B2B thing. Now talking about marketing, the first thing is, as everything, when we talk about marketing, I'm sorry I forgot the word marketing on the top. I realized it, but I brought the pen drive it up. मैं बोल दूँगी. So it's B2B marketing. When we are talking about B2B business, तो एक चीज़ होती है. And as I said, all of you are already doing it. We all know it, probably you are an expert of it. When we talk about that, when we talk about marketing, कोई भी marketing में आपने 5 sessions अगर attend करे हैं, I know Girish has, Vikas almost has, Shiven has, some of you have attended, सब लोग एक ही चीज़ बोलते रहते हैं कि know your audience. Where is your audience? Where are your people? This is the most important thing. Once you know your audience, it could be that you have to select the process as well. कि how do I connect with them? Let's say you have a business of tiles. तो आपको पता है आपको आर्किटेक्ट और कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी वालों को करना है. They will not be on Instagram, most likely. Architects might be, but then you know that आपको B2B जाके ही करना पड़ेगा. So not everything can be digitized, but to a certain extent, your brand awareness can be created with digital. Since we are talking more about digital space here, and once you have identified, you know the method, then you have to build the relationship. Like this Infinity community was built on this only. I mean, if you think of it, everything is about collaborations and building the relationships and taking it further and building that trust. We are aware of each other's brand. So this is another method. Networking is also a method. Not everything has to be digital. This is how we market. So identifying your audience, I'm not going to talk too much about it, but don't be very bland. Try to be as specific as possible. It can't be, as the screen says, male or female. I was talking to somebody, I'll give you an example because I have a marketing agency. Yesterday, somebody has started an app and they want to promote it. It's meant for mothers. So I straight away said, okay, and where do you want to target? I want pan-India, possibly global as well, but mostly US. So this is the kind of thing, these are the kind of questions you should be asking. What is the age group, what is the demographic, the genders, and where exactly you want to target. This is the most example. The standard thing, सबको पता होना चाहिए, नहीं पता है, तो ask your question. अगर आपका let's say salons है, Dolly and Simran, you both are here, you know कि आपको एक 5 किलोमीटर रेडियस में ही रहना है maximum, क्योंकि salon सब vicinity में ही जाते हैं. And but if you have an online business, किसी का यहाँ पे है नहीं, हाँ जी जी जी, alright. So for example, if you have some like clothing and you want to go in the e-commerce line, if you can supply it. One thing is very important, whether you can supply pan-India or global or not, क्योंकि shipment वगैरह देखना होता है. So then you know your target is bigger. Yes, please. Very example.
I just want to share. Even similar must be getting clients. We get clients from, I think, 100-120 kilometer radius also. So, and pan-India too.
Pan-India for salon. If they are searching for it, if for example कोई बरेली में लड़की है, उसने आके लखनऊ में शादी करी, उसको wedding services चाहिए.
नहीं, wedding के अलावा, suppose we have a client here in Lucknow and she has relatives there and they are visiting.
But still, she is not your target audience. She knows about it. So it's like your target is still very much in Lucknow, क्योंकि वो relative, she cannot take a facial from Bareilly, right? So she might say कि मेरी mother को चाहिए, she is in Lucknow and I was looking for you. She'll still look for, like, she'll type the area ऐसे ही गोमती नगर में मुझे सलोस चाहिए या मुझे इंदिरा नगर में चाहिए, शी विल, बिकॉज यहाँ से कोई आशाना नहीं जाएगा. It's a very specific and knowing your platform is important, and we'll be talking about it. I just like the picture for very obvious reasons. So of course Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. I don't do any Tinder session, but if you need any help with any of these three platforms, I'm there. Tinder मुझे आता नहीं है, so sorry if I can't help you there. And so that's the idea, where you are presenting yourself. So if you have a training thing, maybe something on Instagram, but then LinkedIn is there. But if you have your kind of like e-commerce store, you have Instagram, right? Then there are other platforms like Pinterest as well, very underutilized, very popular. If you are in any kind of visual things, please post it on Pinterest as well. People undermine that. How I'm doing for time. Once you have got the customer, be nice to them. We all know it. All of you are clearing examples of it. We know that you all make sure that you are like, no, you once you have acquired them, the entire circle starts. It's not about acquiring a business, as they say. I mean, these are just jokes because they say I don't like to make a PPT with slides and everything. But with text, I have text here. Make sure that you hyper-personalize the entire process for them. The customer is the key, the client is the key, because the trend has changed. You all probably already know this thing, that sales funnel जो word होता है ना, अब वो redundant हो गया है. It's not about acquiring the customer, it's about making sure your customer becomes your ambassadors. The concept is a new concept, थोड़ा सा मेरे को भी ज़्यादा इसका idea नहीं है, I'm not an expert of it. I came across this term and I loved it and I wanted to share it with you all. It says the flywheel is in. Flywheel is something which was started by HubSpot करके एक company है. And this customers to drive referrals and repeat sales, and your business keeps spinning. And I really like the energy of this statement. That you know this is like a cyclical approach. आपको ना circle में रखना है. And we all know this thing कि once you have acquired a customer, it's not about leaving them. चाहे आप उसको WhatsApp से target कर रहे हो, चाहे आपको Insta ad से target कर रहे हो, keep retargeting them. So I'm taking a pause here. This is about B2B, which I felt wanted to share. Anybody wants to talk? Because I'll be switching to LinkedIn. Take a 2-minute pause. Anybody wants to share something? Yes.
Hi everyone, I am Simran. I am the co-founder of HealthZone, CleverZone, Heroes, आप सब जानते हैं. So just adding a bit to what Surabhi said, जो हम identifying the audience, like in my salon, salon की requirement एक 15 साल की लड़की से लेके 60, 65, 70, 75 सब females को हैं. Males भी अब बहुत active हो गए हैं. But in my case, ये जो funnel है, I would like to share my journey. जब तक ये सब लिंगो नहीं था, इसे ज्ञान नहीं मिलता था, तब तक we were serving everyone. अभी भी सब लेडीज आती हैं, हर एज की आती हैं, लड़कियाँ भी आती हैं. But my target audience is 30+ females. So अगर आप हमारा कोई भी ad देखेंगे, कोई marketing देखेंगे, अंदर का इंटीरियर देखेंगे, स्टाफ की ग्रूमिंग देखेंगे, वो सब ग्रूमिंग है 30-35+ लेडीज को सर्विस प्रोवाइड करने के लिए. सो फिर उसमें भी जो सुरभि ने बोला, उसमें एक ऐड है ये कि माइक्रो मैनेज करना है अबाउट योर टारगेट ऑडियंस. तो जब ये करते हैं तो क्लैरिटी बहुत आती है एंड सर्विस डिलीवरी बहुत अच्छी हो जाती है. लाइक इन कीरोज हेल्दी स्नैक्स हैं. इफ़ यू सी हमारे कीरोज के नीचे लिखा रहता है दे आर हेल्दी फॉर ऑल एंड सेफ फॉर डायबिटिक्स. सबके लिए हेल्दी है, बट वाई डायबिटिक्स? बिकॉज हेल्दी सबके लिए है तो इतना कंपटीशन है कि आपका स्नैक हो जाता है. बट उसमें एक स्पेसिफिक ऑडियंस को हमने ऐड करके अपने कीरोज ब्रांड को आगे लिया. सो दैट वाज माय.
That's nice. That's a good example. You are the expert of this anyways. But I want you to cover a little bit as a background कि B2B से मतलब क्या है, क्योंकि because now the next 10-15 minutes is all about LinkedIn, the platform. Anybody else wants to say something? थोड़ा सा मेरा सेशन ऐसे ही है. directional. Because you all, I know that you, some of you can actually talk better than me here. You all are doing it,
But
but
I just talked to Anuj only about this live video. We were just talking about that.
wow.
We didn't know, at least I didn't know it was supposed to be something like this. But it's a part of another mind.
There's a whole, yeah, in fact, I also loved when I heard the concept, because if you read the meaning of it on Wikipedia as well, that itself is, वो मोटर में होती है, उसकी kinetic energy होती है, and it gives the momentum to every other card. The meaning itself was so soulful. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. So I wanted to bring it. Of course, this is not about sales funnel and flywheels. My expertise don't lie in it anyways. I'm not the right person to talk about it. But just wanted to bring it in the picture here. We all are doing it. Customer by referral or any business by referral is the best form. Word of mouth is still the thing. And जो पहले नहीं होता था, अब वो जानते, the customer is very much aware. If they see something on your website or any other business also finds out कि ये उसको उतने में मिल रहा है या this is the extra service they provide, they'll find out right away. They will not kind of wait for it. It's just like press a button, they can find out everything. So whatever you provide to one has to be identical, and of course you customize, that personalization part comes in. But जैसे अभी कुछ भी मैं भी कर रही हूँ, तो I can't just give one different business to somebody else and another to like the quotation, whatever else service I'm providing. थोड़ा बहुत आपको leverage देना होता है. That is the hyper personalization. So everybody is ready with their LinkedIn, ना? जी.
लाइन आपने तो की, वो sum up करके जर्नी को. If we understand this thing, तो business में कभी downfall नहीं होगा. Ups and downs are there, this sums up everything.
And the client also, they acknowledge this fact. You are there, this is your quality, all your prices are there, and that's how we count.
And sometimes
There
the
should be transparency.
and the journey is like is immediate. Sometimes like old clients or old businesses when they connect back with you, बस थोड़ा सा उनको अपनी memory में रखना होता है. तो वो memory में रखने के लिए, because you cannot keep calling them all the time. That's where I found LinkedIn very helpful. Because just imagine आप किसी business meet में गए, conference में गए. I'm talking about a professional environment. सोशल तरीके से लखनऊ में तो चलता है कि गोल्फ क्लब में भी मीटिंग हो गई या BNI में भी हो गया और इन्फिनिटी में भी हो गया. आई एम नॉट अ इन्फिनिटी काम कनेक्ट फाउंडर राइट नाउ. मैंने अपनी हैट उठा के रखी हुई है, मैं बोल सकती हूँ. सो बट आई एम जनरली सेइंग दैट दिस एंड वी गो समवेयर, समटाइम्स पार्टीज में ही बिजनेसेस हो जाते हैं. व्हाई डोंट यू टॉक, अगर मुझे कल फ़ोन करना हो जाएगा, ठीक है. बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द बिगर पिक्चर. दिस इज नॉट द लाइक ओनली वे, देयर आर अदर वेज. I found LinkedIn something which was very helpful to me to grow as a professional. Also, I learned from a lot of people from the platform itself. I got connected to multiple people. So I have a slide for it as well. What are the things which you can do for you? I'll just go to the next slide first and then come back to it. You can share your story. अगर किसी ने कभी LinkedIn मेरा खोल के देखा होगा, I am sharing all kinds of things. I mean, it's like generally I just share without any thoughts ki, of course, how much you can share is up to you because it's a professional platform. You can share something which you have gained with pride. You can share your pride. It could be your son has achieved something good or your employee has gone and won the award. Definitely you can share it over there. You can thank people over there. Build your reputation. Your entire reputation can be built via LinkedIn. बाकी सारे methods अलग हैं. मैंने कहा कि अभी my focus for this session is on LinkedIn itself. Then the communication can happen. You can message, you can comment, everything. The best part about LinkedIn, which I love, is not just your connections which you have. Everything multiplies because their connections also is your connection. This is something which I love. If I post a status and Amit likes or comments on it, I am exposed to his entire network and his entire network gets नाउ एक का 10 और 10 का 1000 कब हो जाएगा आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. दिस इज द ब्यूटी. एंड लाइक जैसे फेसबुक में क्या है, फेसबुक में आप फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट भेजते हो ना, तो यू हैव अ लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ पीपल. कितना भी प्रोफाइल आप बना लो, आप 10,000 फ्रेंड्स बनाना चाहते हो तो बना लो. बट फेसबुक वॉज ऑलवेज मेंट फॉर योर पर्सनल, इंस्टाग्राम वॉज फॉर योर पिक्चर शेयरिंग. ऑफकोर्स इट हैज़ ग्रोन इन टू अ लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स एज अ सेड. बट अभी अगर हम लिंक्डइन की बात करें, if I go and meet somebody, I'll tell them my LinkedIn profile rather than my कि मुझे Facebook request भेज दो. Unless I want to be friends with them. Not everybody you want to be friends with. Sometimes किसी CEO से आप बात कर रहे हैं किसी कंपनी के, तो sending them a LinkedIn request is the right thing to do right away. उसी वक्त खोलिए, स्कैन कर लीजिए, नाम ढूंढ लीजिए, and you can search for them. It's absolutely okay. But if you send them a Facebook request, it's not the right thing. And even if they don't accept your request, you can follow them. That's the difference. If I run out of time or something, to बताओ. And of course, getting entertained, getting the learning. So this is the screen. These are the things you can get hired. You can hire people. You can get connected. You can grow your network. But creating your profile in the right manner is the key. थोड़ा सा elaborate करना पड़ता है. You can't just say I'm unemployed. Make sure that you tell. So if you go on my profile, you see certain things written on it. You will get an idea that this person is this, because this is like your quick intro. अगर आप LinkedIn पे मेरे जाएंगे तो आपको 3-4 लाइन मिलेगी मेरे बारे में. Then you will start getting interested and you will read about. I'm not saying me is something generic terms, I'm not that interesting. But I'm just saying that if you're looking for somebody, let's say you're hiring somebody, again it's okay to go on their profile and check it. It's not okay to go on their Facebook and Instagram. You might find something, then you'll never hire. Simple as that. You don't want to find out where they are partying. You want to find out what they have written as an article on LinkedIn. What blogs they have written. What other work they have done. What white paper. ऐसी चीज़ें आपको ज़्यादा जानना है. So, making sure your profile is correct, telling your stories in different ways. I showed you multiple ways you can share your story. Nobody likes हमने ये कर लिया, हमने ये कर लिया, हमने ये अचीव कर लिया. Tell how you achieved it, how you failed as well is okay to share here. अगर आपने कुछ नहीं अचीव कर पाए, मतलब I keep getting like roadblocks and everything, and I write about it on LinkedIn. You don't have to be a writer by the way, but it's okay to write, it's okay to share, and nobody wants facts and figures, nobody is interested, but everybody is interested in a story. कि हुआ कैसे था. And the only mantra is ज़्यादा सोचो नहीं, पोस्ट कर दो. ज़्यादा सोचो नहीं, कमेंट कर दो. ज़्यादा सोचो नहीं, लाइक कर दो. That is the only mantra. There is no rocket science to LinkedIn. सब कहते हैं तुम कैसे कर लेती हो. मैं कुछ करती नहीं हूँ. मैं जब एक बार लिख लेती हूँ ना, बिना सोचे समझे मैं कहती हूँ पोस्ट तो कर ही देते हैं. कंट्रोवर्सी होगी तो देखा जाएगा. एंड आई हैव बीन ट्रोल्ड एज वेल. कभी कुछ लिख दिया मैंने, अभी हिंदी दिवस में लिखा कि आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ बीइंग एन हिंदी स्पीकर. तो किसी ने इंग्लिश में लिखा, व्हाई आर यू राइटिंग दिस इन इंग्लिश. उसने भी इंग्लिश में लिखा था, बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग ठीक है, मेरी ओपिनियन थी. मैंने कहा बिकॉज आई वांट मोर पीपल टू नो अबाउट इट. फॉर मी लिंक्डइन इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर आई राइट इन इंग्लिश. मेरा इंग्लिश आराम से आ जाता है मेरे को, मैं लिख देती हूँ उस पर. दिस इज द लास्ट पार्ट हियर. लिंक्डइन पे जब आपका प्रोफाइल है या नहीं है, देयर आर वेज. जस्ट इमेजिन कि आप किसी प्रोफेशनल, किसी से बात हुई, लेट्स मीट इन अ कॉफ़ी शॉप. ठीक है, लाइक हम लोग आता है कि two of us will meet over a coffee and we'll talk business. जैसे होता है स्टारबक्स में मिलेंगे या जहाँ पे भी मिलेगा. हमारे स्टारबक्स नहीं, किसी और कैफे में कहीं भी जाना चाहे. So let's say we have decided to meet in a cafe. You will get ready. Make sure your face is clean and everything. Your hair is there. Your shoes are there. You carry your visiting card with you. You visit, and so you dress up. The same way, make sure your LinkedIn is dressed up. पूरा आपका headshot होना चाहिए. As you can see, this is the screenshot of my thing. I am very proud of the community I started, so I have a picture of that. I keep changing it by the way. Every 6-8 months में मैं कुछ change कर देती हूँ. I have written एक दिन वो मुझे एक अनस्टॉपेबल का एक वीडियो सिमरन ने भेजा था, तो आई गॉट इंस्पायर्ड, सो आई रोट अनस्टॉपेबल बिकॉज sometimes you need to feel empowered as well. I'm not justifying, I'm just saying this is what I wrote. And I wrote, I hope you can, you can always check my profile. It says marketing maverick, okay, I can go crazy. Geek by heart, because I come from an IT background. I'm a techie by heart. And I'm a community builder. So this is what you get from me. Now what do you get? थोड़ी सी नॉर्मल तरीके से नहीं लिख रही है, इसकी इंग्लिश थोड़ी ठीक ठाक है, ऐसे ये कुछ मार्केटिंग में भी करती है, तो एक इम्प्रेशन बनना स्टार्ट हो गया ना मेरे बारे में. यू गाइज नो मी, बट इफ समबडी डजंट नो मी, व्हाट विल दे गेट, व्हाट विल दे अचीव आउट ऑफ इट? दे कैन सी माई पिक्चर, आई लुक फ्रेंडली इनफ, although it's not a right picture, but make sure it's a proper headshot you have, a clear picture, no selfies are allowed on LinkedIn. Well, not allowed in the sense, doesn't give an impression. I'll tell you why. You met somebody, Mr. XYZ, in a conference for 5 minutes. You go back and look for him. Doesn't have a profile picture, you don't know which one, which XYZ, right? If you, there is a picture पर वो बहुत दूर कहीं खड़े हुए पहाड़ पे, ऐसे हाथ करके, ऐसा होता है मेरे साथ. हमें क्या पता ये कौन से वाले हैं? सो समटाइम्स अब जैसे विशाल नाम है, किसी ने कहा मेरा नाम विशाल है या श्वेता है, मतलब मेरे फैमिली में ही चार पाँच हैं, तो आप ढूंढते रह जाओ उनको. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. आई एम नॉट सेइंग बाय द वे, किसी को कमेंट नहीं करें, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स which is very impossible, and this is where LinkedIn में having the right profile picture is important. I am okay with the time, मैं ज़्यादा ले रही हूँ तो बता दीजिएगा. And of course my entire work history, education history is written there. So I have stopped now. So and yes, one more thing is what to post on LinkedIn में मुझे कई बार बोला जाता है कि LinkedIn में post क्या करना चाहिए. Whatever you want to tell in a coffee shop to a stranger, how much you want to share with a stranger in a coffee shop, you're meeting professionally. Yes, you have a family, you have kids, you have work, you have history, you have a startup, you were working here. The kind of thing which you want to share is the things which you can, the topics you can talk about on LinkedIn itself. It's just like, just कभी कुछ नहीं समझ में आए, क्योंकि आप assuming कि इसके बाद आप लोग बहुत एक्टिव हो जाएंगे, इस सेशन के बाद इतने इंस्पायर हो जाएंगे कि यू विल बी लाइक वाओ, आज से मैं एकदम LinkedIn पे पहुंच जाऊंगा टाइप. बट ऑल यू नीड इज 15-20 मिनट, इवन इफ इट्स वंस अ वीक. आई एम क्रेजी, मैं तो हमेशा ऑनलाइन करूँगी. बट द थिंग इज यू डोंट हैव टू बी ऑन अ सोशल मीडिया. दिस इज नॉट अ सोशल मीडिया, दिस इज अ प्रोफेशनल सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म. तो उतना ही बताइए जितना आप कंफर्टेबल हैं. नहीं शुरू में कंफर्टेबल है, गो एंड एंगेज विद अदर्स. Right, this is the thing. Start it. Like people's posts, learn from them. आपको इतना सीखने को मिलेगा. कभी मुझे लगता है please, and I don't get paid by LinkedIn by this in any form. So make sure that you have your clear picture, headline जो मैंने अभी Maverick वाला पढ़ा था, about section, like a little bit more detail about it, your education and work, additional information if you want to share about your history of schools and everything, because you never know. Alumni is a very strong network, by the way. Connections added with the right message. मैं वैसे ऐसे ही भेज देती हूँ, मैं फ्रैंकली बता रही हूँ, मैं मैसेज ऐसे लिखती नहीं हूँ. जब मैं भेजती हूँ किसी को कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट, आई जस्ट सेंड इट एंड देन स्टार्ट ऑब्जर्विंग फॉर अ वीक एंड यू विल नो द डिफरेंस. दिस वाज जस्ट अ समरी, बिकॉज मैं LinkedIn की वर्कशॉप नहीं ले सकती हूँ, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल, एंड आई एम रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम. सो माय थिंग इज डन. You don't have to take the first step. बस 5 मिनट की मैं एक्सरसाइज कराना चाहूँगी while Tarangi is setting it up. Can you all open your LinkedIn? I'm not able to kind of. I hope everybody did their homework. Everybody has their LinkedIn. So I just want some movement from everybody. Click on search and there's a QR code icon. Click on scan here and just go and scan everybody. Just go and add each other if you're not added already. So go on search. There's a QR code icon.
Myself Karan Singh, I am from DG Footprints. So basically I am a computer engineer. and I've done my MBA course from Jeffrey Institute of Management. After that, I did my GMP course from IIM Lucknow, and I'm into training business past 20 years. We have got multiple. We are into diversified training. We started with CAT Center. So today we have a very interesting topic, that how the legacy can be there in the business. Because today what we want, that we are into some business and we want to pass it to our kids, and company should run, that brand should run. So my presentation after Survi presentation is really very tough, but I'll try to do my best. But you can tell that what do you understand by legacy business? Anybody can tell? Anyone? Something? Something like family run business, okay? Okay, any other thing? बिना मैनेज करे मिल जाए, बहुत बढ़िया. So legacy is a powerful word and aspiration. When entrepreneurs get started, they either want to build their company or have a successful exit or sell out. So they want to create a brand, the which is going. So I'll be showing you several examples that what could be done that we can make our business as a legacy. So some examples are, we can see Tata, we can see Mahindra, Kellogg's, Reliance, Asian Paints, Nestle. So these are there since long. So in the same way, whatever we are into the business, we should do. Either we are selling any product or we are selling any services, we should take care of the customer. And most important, we should take care of our employees also. Because what really happens, that if your brand, today, I'll take one example, like Magnever is one brand. So it has got so many outlets. So if anybody has to go, so they are giving the TV ads also. So many outlets are open in Lucknow, you can see. So that is a brand. Today, what recalls, okay, if you have to buy anything for anything like wedding and all, go to Magnever. If you take the, any example of Tata, Trust is there, then Asian Paint, lot of things are there. That's the reason people are also investing into the share market. So we need to build that brand, and brand can only be built when you take care of the customer. You have to be loyal. So we'll play a small, game where you all need to answer. So what are the famous food brands or sweet shop in Lucknow that have legacy in business? Can we have some? Radhelal, Ramasray, what else? Chappan Bhog, sir? Netram, Madhurima, or Red Lassi, Haldiram, Vajpayee Puri wala. मैंने स्वीट शॉप बोला, कैफे तो नहीं बोला. वेरी गुड मैम. और टुंडे कबाबी. ठीक है, लिस्ट विल गो ऑन. So we can see all these brands. So मक्खन मलाई एक मिलता है चौक में, वाजपेयी, प्रकाश कुल्फी, रामाश्रय, रहीम, टुंडे कबाब, छप्पन भोग, मधुरिमा, राजा की ठंडाई. So name will go on, list will go on. So, yes, that is coming, correct.
Creating a legacy.
So now, what is branding? So nowadays, some people say when we are into digital world, so digital marketing is important, so whether offline market is really important or not. So that question comes. But today, to be very honest, when you are doing any branding, you are running any advertisement, that emotional connect has to be there. If you are making any ad, then your tone, ringtone, or maybe melody, or maybe any video has to be in such a way that they can connect your emotion, then only the brand can be built. And you need to take care of your brand very, very seriously. When it comes to the logo design, when it comes to the how your logo is placed, that is very important, like your name. And it has to be close to your heart. So brand means trust, which people build on. Advertisement, marketing, logo, strategy, and all that things are there. So are these brand exist today? कोई ब्रांड है एग्जिस्ट हो सकता है मैंने गलत लगा दिया हो है
7 तो है
7 है
एंड जेट अवेज अभी कांचन पे गया
है गुड सो मैंने ये इंटेंशनली लगाया रीजन बीइंग वी नीड टू ट्रांसफॉर्म आवरसेल्फ we need to transform ourselves. If suppose I'll talk about Kodak. Earlier days we were using films वाले कैमरे हम लोग यूज करते थे आप प्रिंट कराते थे आज डिजिटल मोड आ गया. So if suppose we are not changing ourselves, one day we will be vanished. We will not exist in the market. So transformation is very very important. I'll give you a very good example that you will understand how the things are there. And I'll tell you one story also behind that. So why transformation is important? So CAD Sector is the brand which I am running past 20 years. So मेरे को एक easy example लगा मैं आपको समझा सकता हूँ. You all people can connect to that. So CAD Sector deals into all the engineering training, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, architectural, electrical, जहाँ पे आप मकान के नक्शे बनाते हो. तो 1988 में ये कंपनी स्टार्ट हुई चेन्नई के अंदर. आज 400 सेंटर्स हैं इसके. And I started in 2002 this particular brand in Lucknow. I was the first one in North India. क्योंकि पहले क्या होता था लोग जो इंजीनियर्स होंगे जानते होंगे कि अगर आपको फ्लैट या मकान बनाना है तो आपको इंजीनियर ड्राइंग पे काम करना पड़ेगा. तो डिमांड बढ़ती गई मार्केट में. चाहे वो इंटीरियर डिजाइनर हो, फर्नीचर लेआउट का हो, टाइल शोरूम हो, उसको CAD ऑपरेटर चाहिए ही चाहिए. अब क्या हुआ ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आपका मार्केट में इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में एडमिशन श्रिंक होने शुरू हो गए. वी ऑल नो दैट. देन व्हाट केम इनटू प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज का जमाना आया. पीपल वेंट एंड टुक द फैशन डिजाइनिंग एज अ करियर. दे टुक एज अ फोटोग्राफी एज अ करियर. टुडे ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग हैज बिकम अ ह्यूज डिमांड. जितने हम लोग यहाँ पे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बैठे हैं एवरीबॉडी रिक्वायर्स ग्राफिक डिजाइनर. व्हाई वी वांट टू मेक अवर ऐप, वी वांट टू मेक अवर लोगो. So I'll continue. He is connecting. So what happened actually? इंजीनियरिंग की डिमांड मार्केट में श्रिंक हो गई. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आज के डेट में अगर मैं रेस्टोरेंट्स लूँ, अगर आप जोमेटो स्विगी पे नहीं हो तो आपका बिजनेस 50% रह जाएगा. So what happened actually? Then Dream Zone came in 2007 या 8. So I was called to Chennai and this company owner said कि why don't you start Dream Zone? मैंने कहा मैं इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग करा सकता हूँ, फैशन डिजाइनिंग का मुझे एफ भी नहीं पता कैसे चलेगा. उसने कहा मार्केट यही है. तो इफ यू गो बैक 15 years बैक, तो पीपल वर यूज्ड टू बाय डिफरेंट थिंग्स, बट आज की डेट में फैशन हो गया. नोबडी विल रिपीट दैट ड्रेसेस आल्सो, स्पेशली फीमेल्स. मेल्स भी यही करते हैं, बट नोबडी विल रिपीट ये ड्रेसेस इफ दे आर गोइंग इन अ पार्टी. दे हैव टू गो फॉर अ न्यू ड्रेस. तो लॉट ऑफ फैशन डिजाइनिंग रिक्वायरमेंट केम. फोटोग्राफी एक बहुत बड़ा वो बन गया बिकॉज फोटोग्राफी में आपको क्लिक करना है, आपको इंस्टा पे अपलोड करना है, डिजिटल फोटो चाहिए, तो दैट बिकेम. सो वी स्टार्टेड दैट ब्रांड इन 2007 एंड बिलीव मी दैट वाज द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन व्हिच वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम CAD टू Dream Zone we went. Then what happened? Lot of huge requirement was coming into Gulf. फिर क्या हुआ? प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट का डिमांड हुआ. जैसे गिरीश ऑल्सो नोस, विकास ऑल्सो की सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री में भी प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड. सो वी थॉट ऑफ कि आपको प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट करना पड़ेगा कि कितने टाइम में बिल्डिंग खत्म होगी, क्या कॉस्ट लगेगा. तो दे स्टार्टेड दी अनदर ब्रांड कॉल्ड सिनर्जी. तो व्हाट हैपेंड? इनिशियली इंजीनियरिंग का ब्रांड था. इट वेंट इनटू इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग, फैशन डिजाइनिंग, ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग, देन सिनर्जी. 3-4 साल पहले या कोविड के पहले आप देखो आईटी बहुत डेवलप होने लगा. Am I right? आईटी की डिमांड इतनी बढ़ गई इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस में, आपके इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स श्रिंक होने लगे. सिर्फ 30 बच्चे 40 बच्चे एक बैच में पढ़ते हैं, एडमिशन ही नहीं है. When you talk about IT, so huge demand. Today everybody is running for manpower. Survey or me, we are not getting it. Why? Because people are getting the job at a higher package. So again, that transformation. People went because this is the phase. Any product, anything will have a phase that will go down and come up. So what actually happened then? This company started the live wire training where it had all the machine learning, artificial intelligence. So see the transformation it goes, okay? So there was a fear factor because if anybody is into 20 years old into business, so what will happen? Then COVID came, okay? Then COVID came. So in COVID, what happened? All the businesses were shut. So I was talking to the MD of the company. I was saying that we have many online courses, Byju's and all. So why can't you come online? So people who are little older, maybe 50 years, 60 years, they were little upset कि online कैसे पढ़ाएंगे, fees नहीं आती, all that stuff. So I clearly said that I am only one, I'll be with you. Whatever money needs to be put in, I'll put, and we'll go for online courses. Then I'll show the chart also. Then they started the South campus where we are selling the online business. So today we are having 5 employees I have hired from Byju's. I have never met them. They do the sales. I pay them the salary. Revenue comes, I get my commission. Clear cut. Profit बहुत कम हो रहा है, but that is growing. So earlier what was happening? Offline income आ रहा था, आज online भी आ रहा है. So what I am trying to say, the people are selling from offline store, they have gone into online mode also. Amazon, other thing, e-commerce website are being made. So we need to find out the way by which we can market our product or the brand online. That is very important. You are from any industry. Solution is there. Then now people are forcing to me because the fashion has come, photography has come, what next? Anybody can tell? For a female going for a party or a male going for a party, if they have taken a dress, the photo is there, but like what is in between? Buying a dress, going for a party, what is there? Any guesses? Salon. Okay, so this company tied up with Naturals. Okay, Naturals. So 5 years we have run the Naturals across India. Now, Natural has started in 2017. Natural Training Academy is in Ashiana, but they are forcing us to start in Ganj also, but I am not going into this currently, but one day definitely we'll start this. Huge business. So try to understand, today transformation is huge. So yesterday I was sitting in school, so that gentleman asked me, sir, what exactly you do? I said, I am only into the skill education, nothing else. Every is a byproduct, everything. Like today I take the example of Girish, he is making a software. Last meeting he was telling that he was into private selling, not government, but today he is doing all government. So that is the transformation what he has done. And transformation can only save us. So we all should look for an alternative that is there. So this is the transformation. I hope everybody understood. So this journey which was taken by the company, and seriously when the engineering admissions were less, 400 partners out of 400, 380 people were in a trauma that what will happen that if we are running cash center. The turnover has come drastically by 80% down. But today, again, the time will come and things are changing. So we need to transform ourselves. So now, what is the 60%, 40% rule in branding? This is very, very important. For anybody running a company, they say how much to invest in the market. They do the branding and they say result नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक है, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग वाला बोलता है कि सर बोर्डिंग लगाते हो, यू कैन नॉट मेजर कि कितने लोगों ने ऐड देखा. और जब आप ब्रांडिंग करते हो, सपोज मैं पैसा लगा रहा हूँ, मैं बोलूँगा मैंने ऐड चलाया फेसबुक पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे और मेरे को बिजनेस नहीं आया. So the point is you should invest 60% of your money in the brand building. That is important. Okay, today you can be like, I'll say Surabhi is the brand itself. Infinity तो है, पर अगर मैं Surabhi आज तुम पोस्ट करेंगे मुझे टैग करके कितने लोग देखेंगे? So she has become a brand. Am I right or wrong? So we have to become a brand. That is important. You move anywhere. 40% can be sales activation. Suppose you bring any scheme. So that 40% you can encash, but branding is very important, and branding has to be done by any company. Now today the misconception every businessman has, every boutique has, that if I am running any ad on Facebook, the leads are not coming. So my only question is, if you are putting one hoarding on a flyover, you invest a lakh of rupees, and if you are investing only 5,000 rupees in an ad, how can you get the result? That is only the question. When people tend to see your brand again and again, they will recall you, and anyway, when the requirement is there, they will click on the sales ad and the lead can be generated. So this has to be followed, and trust me, I have observed it, I have implemented in my company, and that way the things are there. So can you all recognize? And one thing more, once you are making any brand, you should have the beautiful ad, beautiful ringtone, connect the emotion which I was telling you. So there is a small thing, if any you all can say, I'll be playing this audio, if you can name this. Which ad is this? Anybody say? Good. Price है.
ये क्लोजअप बोलने के बाद में इसमें कोई तारीफ. So we were not organized. We both said, अरे टाइम लगा तो मुझे तो हमारा शादी हो रही है.
आपका फूल है.
ये टीपी की पहले के प्रश्न का नंबर गलत हो गई. रट के आएगा. इसको मैं गा सकती हूँ. What a neighbor, what she found a neighbor, you would be so pretty, it was her, but we just
So we can all relate this. Why? Because we have listened all these things when we were young.
साबुन का है.
So my point is this: when you want to create a brand, then you should think all about this. Okay? So this ad is very popular. We'll be just showing this. So this is what the emotional connect is.
सच बोलने के तो पूरे नंबर मिलने चाहिए.
That is good.
मैगी खाने का मन कर रहा है.
मुझे तो तब से लगता है जब से छप्पन का नाम
तो अब पॉइंट यहाँ पे ये है कि इफ यू मेक द वीडियो एड एंड यू रन ऑन फेसबुक and you tend to put some money, people will be looking your ad again and again, and in that case the number of people who have seen the ad, you can capture those audience and show the ad again. That is one. Second, we all are Facebook friends. So what Elgo says, suppose you have seen my ad, Survi has seen my ad, Girish has seen, Shiven has seen. I can go and do 1% audience who are similar to the behavior pattern of them. They can also see the ad. But people do not understand this. So this is why the video ads are important. If you are not running ad, believe me, you can only posting on your Instagram, Facebook, Okay, that will not reach the people, it will be only at your community. That is again why we always say invest, but because recently we have started a digital marketing agency. It's very new, around 2.5 years old, but by God's grace, we are having good clients in Lucknow. So we explain them that this thing, but it's very, very tough. Okay, because secondly, when it comes to lead, so what will happen when you're running this? So I'll show you different type of social media ad. So this is what the ad is. This is again one ad, one is a lead ad. So this is what the lead ad, where you get lead means you get the phone number, email ID and a name so that you can give a call. But now that is a video ad, you can see at last. But हमें पता ही नहीं है what is exactly that. Secondly, if anybody is clicking on ad, that can really go to your landing page. Landing page is a one-page website that was stored in earlier session, and people can fill the data. So this is what is all about branding. So as a personal experience, I am sharing that since last 4 months, we have stopped running any lead ad on Facebook. Stopped running 4 to 5 months. So what will happen? The results are coming. Why? Because branding is there. People tend to see the ad, they call that. So how you can create the brand? One is Instagram, Facebook. Third one is LinkedIn. So every digital platform is important. And paper ad is also important. Hoardings are also important. And nowadays this community like Infinity, PNR, that is also important. So now this way you can create the legacy, and definitely the brand will be built and you can reap the benefit out of it. So this ad I saw today and it was very good. I shared on thing also. So what is, if anybody has seen and is good, so what they are doing? Marketing. What branding is there? So it is not about, you are congratulating to your competitor but putting one tagline. So this is what the branding is. So any question you all can ask. Thank you so much. Any questions? Thank you.